It's August, guys, and you know what that means. It's time for us to announce the winner from July's giveaway and announce what we're giving away for August. First, let's do a quick recap over what the Waffles fam covered this month. Get ready for a fishing trip so epic we had to put it into 3 parts. Deep sea fishing, Mexico. Alright, so the first thing we did was we got to explore Mexico. We caught lots of really unusual fish, which was pretty freaking cool.
Yeah, man. That was awesome. That was a good fight, too. Left arm was starting to cramp up.
That is awesome, dude. You want to pick him up while they're doing that? Jesus.
Got him.
All right, here we go. Whoa! Yeah.
Shoot,
that's
so
a fish. Oh my God, y'all.
That is such a cool
fish.
fish.
That is so dope.
That is awesome.
Look at that. Wow.
Hey, let me take a. Yeah.
We got to stay at some pretty sick resorts, and this time we didn't get hit with a hurricane. Coming back to the US, we cast netted some new areas and we caught quite a few bass, ironically. And then we even bought a bass for our sheep's head minnow tank. Just a reminder, this month we are giving away our Berkeley scale and measuring tape that we just purchased for ourselves, as seen in the last video we released.
The scale we're giving away.
The scale we're giving away this month. Obviously he's a little dude, but we still just want to go ahead and weigh him.
Yeah.
We got 1 pound, 13 ounces. I really love this scale. This was an upgrade for us. It's a really nice one. That's why we're giving it to y'all. All right. Jimmy and myself wanted to say a quick thank you to a bunch of y'all who commented on pretty much every video this month. Anderson D, Actual Anime Ace, Jared Hill, Kelly O'Neill, Mike Diggs, Catherine Ariza, James David, Rodney S, and Kevin Ritchie. Thank you guys so much for following along with us, and we're so happy to have you as part of the fam. Congratulations, David Smallwood. We are going to reach out to you to get your shipping information to get you over your brand new scale. So for August, our giveaway is actually going to be sponsored by Cornerstone Bait and Tackle out in Whitney, Texas. They have given us some pretty cool stuff. First, we've got the thermometer that actually says fish on. We're also getting a Quake Stud 70 by 6 cents and a Rinker spinnerbait, which is hand poured and hand tied. You know the rules, guys. Subscribe to the channel to qualify, and comment fish on to any videos released in the month of August to be entered to win. Every time you comment on a new video, it's an additional entry. Good luck, guys, and we'll see you on the next vid.